Hi y'all, I'm Brenda with Blessings and Bread. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making a super easy dish for our supper tonight. Just a one dish meal with 5 simple ingredients. And several of you have said you would like to see more easy meal ideas that were easy to do. And this is one of these things that our family likes to eat, and it's super easy to make. So tonight I'm making our version of tuna noodle casserole. All right, and I'm going to begin with 2 cans of mushroom soup, and I prefer Healthy Request. It has less sodium in it, and I think probably a little less fat as well. So 2 whole cans of chicken noodle soup, 2 whole cans of mushroom soup. And then I have about 4 to 5 ounces of Velveeta cheese that I've cut up into cubes. And honestly, this is one of those recipes where you do it as much as you want. If you like more cheesy, want it to be cheesier, then use more cheese. And I'm going to use one large, what size is this can? One 9-ounce can of solid white, and I prefer albacore tuna. And I'm going to put that in. Again, if you want more tuna, you could make this with 2 cans of tuna. And then I'm going to use a fork to kind of break up the tuna in the pan. And again, I'm just making this in the pan, so that makes it even easier. So at the end, be easy to clean up. All right, and now I'm going to add English peas, and I'm going to add almost a whole bag. But before I use frozen, you can use canned, but we prefer frozen. And I'm going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes in the bag before I put them into the casserole. So I'm going to get these cooked, and then I'll be back and add these to the casserole. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I've cooked these English peas, and I ended up cooking them about 3 minutes. So they're not fully cooked, and they'll continue cooking. And I'm not putting the whole bag in there. We like English peas in our tuna noodle casserole, but we don't want it to overpower the tuna fish. All right, so now I'm going to put this in the microwave, and I'm going to cook it for about 2 minutes and stir it and keep cooking it until the Velveeta cheese is melted. Thank you. All right, after 2 minutes, and then I'm taking out and just stirring it, and then the cheese is still in chunks pretty much, so we'll go back in the microwave and cook it some more. And I might even go ahead and do 3 minutes this time. All right, after 3 minutes, it looks like the cheese is going to be melted. So next we're going to add the noodles, and then we'll cook it a little bit more in the microwave. I have prepared noodles. I've prepared egg noodles. We do like egg noodles, but you can also make this with macaroni or penne. You can really use whatever pasta you like. We make it with egg noodles, although I will say Rod likes it a little bit made with just Kraft mac and cheese. He buys the box of cheese, and he'll make, he just mixes that cheese in here with all this stuff. I'm stirring my noodles, and I had just cooked the noodles according to the according to the directions on the package. And this is going to be a quick and easy supper. I think it's almost done. I think what I want to do at this point, though, is taste it, because now I'm going to season it. And the only thing we season this with is a little garlic, and we don't want a lot, so I'm just sprinkling a little. I'm not measuring. This would be all to taste. Be sure to go light at the beginning and then add more because you can always add more, but you can't take it out. And then I'm a pepper girl, so I'm going to put quite a bit of pepper in it. Again, sprinkle. Can always add while I eat. Oh, I'm smelling pepper. I'm liable to sneeze. Pepper really makes me sneeze. So, all right. So I'm going to put that back in the microwave for just a few minutes because it's really pretty hot. So a couple of minutes and this will be done. I did not add salt. I meant to taste it. And I didn't add salt because usually canned soups have a lot of salt in them or sodium in them, and it will be plenty salty enough without adding salt. I think we're good. I just need to cook it a little longer so the English peas will finish cooking and all the flavors can blend together. So I'm going to do it about 2 more minutes. All right, I believe it's done. I did add a little milk. It was a little thick, so I just poured in a little milk till I got it to the consistency that I kind of wanted it to be. And I'm going to plate this up. And then Rod has said he would come over and taste it for me. Be my taste tester tonight. He's probably going to decide if it's as good as when he makes it. Because normally he would be the one to make this in our house, not me. So he's been giving me his best tips while I've made it.
How hot is it?
It's pretty hot. The camera's over there, baby. You got your back to the camera.
Good. Good.
It's good. Is it good as yours?
I hate to say that it is.
Oh.
Yes, it's good.
Does it need more garlic, more
think so.
pepper, anything?
No, I don't think so.
All good.
But you can salt to taste or pepper to taste, depending on your taste.
Yes, I get it. All right, so there's another easy, quick and easy meal that you can make. And literally, you can see it just takes a matter of minutes to make this. And this is also wonderful. It will heat up well for leftovers in the microwave the next day. But a super easy recipe. And during these hectic times during the holidays, I know that we all can use some easy meal ideas. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. And thank you for joining me. Thank you for being part of my channel. And especially those of you who have subscribed. I appreciate you so much. My channel is doing really well and growing. And it's all because of you. And I thank you for that. I hope you've had a blessed day and have a blessed evening. And I will see you the next time I'm in my kitchen, on my porch, or in my garden.